everyone, welcome to Eternal Tales. In this video, we are talking about the robots equipped with artificial intelligence are revolutionizing the way warehouses and factories function. By automating tasks such as picking, sorting, assembly, and quality inspection, these machines help businesses achieve greater speed and accuracy in their operations. The integration of AI not only boosts efficiency but also enhances workplace safety by reducing the need for human workers in hazardous environments. As a result, companies experience fewer errors and can streamline their production processes. This technological shift is reshaping the future of industrial work. Workplace robots are increasingly being used to tackle labor shortages and minimize risks faced by human workers. While these advancements offer significant benefits, they also raise important concerns about potential job displacement. As technology continues to evolve, new roles are emerging in areas such as robot maintenance and artificial intelligence management. This shift underscores the importance of continuous training and adaptation for the workforce, ensuring that employees can thrive alongside these technological changes. Like, share, and subscribe for more.